Hey guys, 2011 R57 Mini Cooper. Owner is complaining that the car is very noisy on the road. I suspect a wheel bearing. I did a road test. So let's have a look at this. Oh!
That was nice.
All right, let's verify if we have some loose in the bearing. The ring is tight. Same here. All tight. All right, lift it up, or we'll get those wheels to spin. We're good. A little bit more. Yeah, 2 locks. With this, we're gonna listen if the bearing does any grinding noise. Right here at the end of the bearing. Okay, go, spin. Fast, fast. Go, 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 go. No grinding noise. Okay, next side. Yeah, there's no grinding at all. What about the front? Okay. Can you start the car? Put it in 3rd gear. And release the clutch very slowly. Okay. Wheels are spinning. Quiet. Quiet. Okay, just rev it a little bit more speed. (2,000 RPM). Nothing there. Okay, that's good. All right. Bearings are good. Comes from the wheel. When we drive and we shift the car from left to right, it changes the noise coming from the road. So what I suspect is it's a bad tire. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh wow, look at those tires. They are all bumpy. Can we see on camera how bumpy they are? Lift the car a bit.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Look at this over here. See? It's all full of bump. Can you hear the noise?
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing here. What about the back? They're not as bad, but they are bumpy. So, what's the fix?
So Dad, what's the fix for this?
The fix for this, there's multiple options. Option A, you just leave it like this. Option B, you leave it like this and you crank up the volume. Option C, you make those tires round again. And option D, you buy 4 brand new tires.
I really don't know what to do.
Simple. Usually in exam, when I'm in doubt, I always pick option C, so let's pick option C.
You want to make those round again?
Yeah, maybe, I think so.
All right.
I'm okay with that.
So option C it is. All right. We just made it to Mexico. We brought some water here. We're gonna put some water in the tire. Just make sure not to put too much stress on the drivetrain. So let's do this. I'm pretty sure the car can do it without water. Oh boy! Thought it would have been easier. That was a fail. know what's happening.
What's wrong?
It's the traction control.
Oh.
Gonna fix those tires. You good?
Yep.
Okay. Ready? Oh!
That was nice.
That was nice. Oh boy. Okay, let's see. Do we have new tread?
It burns.
Those are fixed. Okay. Oh, look at this here, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's all the rubber. So, that looks like we have a fix here. They are around again. Let's put a 500 kilometers on this and it's gonna look new. It's still smoking in there. Let's go back home from Mexico. All right, I just drove, I would say half a mile, 1 kilometers. And now by looking at the tires, there's no more bump in it. So that should be a fix. So we'll drive back home. All right, we made it home with the Mini. It's very quiet now when we're driving. And that was a fix. Pixie, you were right.
Yeah.
So the tire.
It's really impressive. It's not even bumpy anymore.
Yeah, it did a good job. It's nice. And
That was really fun.
that was fun. You like that?
Yeah. We
Yeah.
should do it, but with the Camaro.
With the Camaro?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the engine's not in right now. So
When it's
once
gonna
we
be
have the engine back in, we'll do it. Maybe. So thanks so much for watching, guys.
Don't forget to like and share the video.
Click the bell and subscribe. We'll see you soon.